Cage fly and opener racing Celinderala in the middle steep pass of lava. Articulo 1 for the outside and followed by King's Guard. Here comes Abajin. Pot, then followed by Sky Full of Stars, running by Ruila. Is Hidden Eagle, and going along for the first turn, Celinderala in front by Lanka, or leads by Havalang. Here comes Articulo 1 for the outside, steep pass of love, very close forward, moving up, now to take third is King's Guard. Past the half mile, Celinderala, still in front by Havalanka. Articulo 1 for the outside, very close third, King's Guard. Following back, steep pass of love. Here comes the Sky Full of Stars, then followed by Abajin. Pot, next on line, Hidden Eagle, then followed by Brave Caliper. While he Connie Cruz is running in a table field past the last 400. Articulo 1 grabs the lead now by Havalanka. And here comes King's Guard, Nadia outside. And a Sky Full of Stars now joining in on a further outside. And Celinderala is down for the and down to the finish now. King's Guard now grabs the leader. And a Sky Full of Stars and Articulo 1 and finally King's Guard. A Sky Full of Stars, Articulo 1, Hikari Cruz, Celinderala.
Alright, talagang gin-run slam na ni Jackie J. Bernandez itong race 2, 3, and 4. Kanina kay Bull Session. Sumunod Batang Analang. Ngayon naman King's Guard, Crossing the Warpers, led by Uno. Mga sisigundo, Dejado.